73 years old lady diagnosed with hyperaldosteronism. From which of the following structure aldosterone is secreted or released? So it is one of the direct question that from which structure the aldosterone is released. Here the options: zona fasciculata of the adrenal gland, juxtaglomerular apparatus of the kidney, zona reticularis of the adrenal gland, adrenal medulla, and zona glomerulosa of the adrenal gland. So first of all, let's see the adrenal gland. The adrenal gland, it is located in the upper part of the kidney, and it is usually semilunar shape or triangular shape, and this is the cut section of the adrenal gland. Here we can see this is the outer part, which is the adrenal cortex, and this is the inner part, which is the adrenal medulla, and outside the cortex there is the capsule of the adrenal gland. And the cortex of the adrenal gland also subdivided into some parts, such as the zona glomerulosa. This is the zona glomerulosa, zona fasciculata, and zona reticularis. So this is the three important division of the adrenal cortex, and the adrenal medulla, it is not subdivided. So let's see the zona glomerulosa. The zona glomerulosa, it is outer part of the adrenal cortex. Then zona fasciculata, which is the middle part of the adrenal cortex, and zona reticularis, which is the inner part of the adrenal cortex. And outer part, which is the zona glomerulosa. From the zona glomerulosa, the important hormone, which is the aldosterone is released. And from zona fasciculata, cortisol release, and zona reticularis, androgen release. On the other hand, we can see this is the medulla, which is the most inner part, and from the medulla another two hormone is released, which is known as catecholamine, and under the catecholamine there is the epinephrine and norepinephrine. That means the adrenaline and noradrenaline. In this picture, again see the different part of the adrenal gland. This is the zona glomerulosa, which is the outer part, zona fasciculata, middle part, and zona reticularis, which is the inner part. From the zona glomerulosa, aldosterone release, zona fasciculata, cortisol release, and from the zona reticularis, androgen release. And also here you can see this is the medulla. From the medulla, epinephrine and norepinephrine is released. So it is now known to us that the aldosterone, which is released from the zona glomerulosa of the adrenal cortex, and zona fasciculata, from the fasciculata, cortisol release, juxtaglomerular cell of the kidney, from here the renin secretion occur, and zona reticularis, from reticularis, androgen secretion occur, and from the adrenal medulla, this is the epinephrine and norepinephrine release.